everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you some kurtis that I picked from Amazon, kurtis and bottoms as well. All of these are priced under $3.99 and they are all very comfortable cotton or cotton rayon mix, not chiffon or crepe or anything. Very summer or all weather appropriate kind of clothes and very affordable as well. So let's get started. So the first one I picked is this kurti by Gulmohar. I basically picked it because of its color. It's a beautiful peachy orange color and it has this blue and pinkish red flowers. So it's like a round neck, not very deep, and it's pure cotton material which makes it very comfortable. As for the size chart, you can go for your exact size. It's like a good fit and I don't see any need to alter as well. It is more than knee length for me. My height is 5'8" for reference. So the size chart is appropriate. The length is really nice. The material quality is good. The color is really pretty. There are several other colors as well, but I think this particular color really makes you stand out. You can pair it with leggings or jeans or anything. If you pair it with red, you will overall look peachy, but if you pair it with a blue leggings, then it will give an altogether different look, I guess. You can try both. Next one was like, I saw this brand called Frille and it was just 299 rupees and I thought, okay, I'll buy and see how it is. And turns out it's actually very pretty for the price of 299. It's a rayon material, not at all hot, like it's suitable for humid climate. It has this beautiful embroidery on the front. And this is how the total design of the dress looks like. It doesn't have slits, it's basically like an anarkali, and the length is really good. For my height itself, it's slightly below the knees, so it could be really long. If you are like 5'2" or 5'3", then it could be a very long dress as well. Not at all transparent, very comfortable to wear, and I also like the overall color combination. Like there is this cream, blue and teal. For $2.99, I mean, it was a real shocker for me. The size chart is very accurate, the quality is really nice, something very comfortable to wear, and the color and all, it's really a nice pick. Next one is by the brand Rangriti. What I like the most is that it's like an uneven kind of top. On the front it's slightly above the knees and backside it's like uneven U-shape, and it has a waist tying mechanism as well. So the thing with this particular dress is that there are two colors available, a base of cream and a base of red. The size chart is not very accurate. You might want to go one size lower. Say if your size chart is corresponding to XL right now, with respect to this brand's chart, you can pick an L and it will be correct. Anyway, so it's a very beautiful print. I really love the color combination. It's floral but not like on your face kind of floral. The material is rayon, very comfortable to wear. The sleeves and all is like really loose because of this fitting issue, but the waist is correct because it has a drawstring kind of thing. You can actually make the waist correct fit, so it will give an overall toned look. But I really love this one. The red is also equally pretty, but I like cream one more because I feel this color combination is a little more unique. Next, I picked this beautiful it's like a dark minty green kurti. This by the brand Vamsi, and again this is cotton, very comfortable to wear. You can go with the exact size chart, it's perfect. So the design is actually very pretty. You can see the drawings, it's kind of reminiscent of the forest actually. I really like the floral leafy design that's going on, and it's not transparent also. You can pair it up with leggings, and I actually picked this. This is actually it's not a leggings, it's like a cigarette pants, and it is by the brand Curious. So it has on the front, it's not elastic, but at the back side you have elastic, and you have a zipper on one side as well. So the size chart is pretty accurate. Now the thing is, it might look a bit small in terms of size, but it stretches, so it makes it very comfortable even if you are on the plus side. It's not very long. That is something that I experienced. For my height, I wish it was at least 1 inch longer, but right now I am okay with this length, but a lot of people would prefer a little longer one. So this is my favorite combination at the moment. Very comfortable to wear, summer appropriate, winter appropriate. You can casually wear it anywhere. It gives you that toned look. I really love this combination. Both of them are good for humid weather. I would recommend these. Next one, I picked this long shirt dress, and the price was I think 319 or something. I wasn't even sure if the quality is going to be good, but upon receiving, I really loved the quality. There are a few designs available, but the size chart is a little problematic. The body would be correct, but the arms could be a little tight. So if you are generally an XL size, you might want to take 2XL in order for the hand to fit in. but the waist could be a little loose, so you'll have to do some alteration. That is the only problem that I faced with this particular dress. So it's a very nice classic check pink design, and the sleeves are all like really nice. It has collar, it gives you that very smart look. It has slit on both sides, so if you want you can pair it up with the jeggings. I now wear it with black jeggings as well as white, depends on what look do you want. You want to look brighter or a little dull. So very comfortable to wear, not at all transparent, the length is very good, and the material quality looks really nice. It doesn't look cheap at all, and I think I really like the overall button pattern and all. It gives you that really very smart casual look, which I like. I picked something from the brand iStyle Can, I don't remember the name actually. It's like a stretchable cigarette pants again, but a different brand, and I picked a pure white one. So this is like a white with cool undertones, if I can say that. You could always go for a creamy white and all, but this is like the pakka bluish white. So the front does not have stretch, but the back side it's elastic. There is no zipper or anything, but it's like a good stretchable fit, so it's fine. And this is how the pant, the bottom part looks like. Overall, I think the fit is really nice. It's not that transparent, but I'm not sure if you want to wear it with a short top, then how good it will be. But for me, like for my purpose to wear it with kurtis, it's absolutely fine. And there are so many colors and all available for these brands. So I think investing in these kind of pants instead of leggings will be a good choice, because I always feel that leggings give a more of a very casual, informal look, whereas the stretchable cigarette pants look way more stylish and sophisticated. At least that's what I feel. Okay, so then there is this kurti that I was wearing throughout this video. So this is again a completely comfortable rayon material, and it's like full, it's a navy blue blackish kind of color. It's not entirely black. It has a design over here on the neck, then there is piping, and then there is piping again. But then overall, if you pair it up with a yellow leggings, I think it's gonna look a bit awkward, because from a distance only the black and white colors are visible. The fit is really nice. It's like correct fit. The size chart is good. It's not at all transparent. Very casual and good for office wear, for college wear, or when you're just going out. There is nothing too fancy about it, but it's just overall a nice fit, and really can't complain for the price point as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved picking these up because I feel these are value for money, and the size chart is also like really correct, and I did not have to go into much alteration or anything, and completely value for money. So let me know if you guys liked my latest collection. I would love to know that. So we'll meet again with another video. Until then, take care. Bye.